This is my bike check. Well, for starters, I have a Fly Diablo frame. It's kind of beat up. Repainted it because the blue paint job wasn't all that great. And I bought some Fly Bike stickers off Dance Comp. See, Dance Comp stickers came with it and stuff. It's pretty sweet. Crap. Whatever. Well, also we have the Miracle front ram. Kinda sucks. Like, it really sucks. Need to get a new one. Got me some crown valve caps going on this thing. I'm off Dance Comp. Stolen thermalite peg, gangrene as you can see. Haro fork. You can't really see the FSA, but it's FSA headset, the pig. We got the snafu stem on here. Yeah, I know it's kind of a miscolored bolt, but still, whatever. Got some Haro bars. Fly final grips. You may be able to see the fly on there, but not really.
Yep.
And we got the McNeil seat. It's pretty cool. Yep. FBM seat posts. Seat clamp sucks. Stupid mongoose. Okay. We got the Shadow Scream sprocket, 25 tooth. I don't know what kind of chain this is. It's a pretty crappy one, I can tell you that. GT cranks. I used to have Miracle cranks on them, but of course they broke because Miracle sucks balls. And some Odyssey Bear Claw pedals. Freaking hurt. And we got another crown valve cap. Black Ops back rim. 9 tooth. Yeah. Don't know what kind of tires they are, but it's pretty cool. The bottom bracket, I don't know. But fixing to get a Stolen Mob cranks because some other ones broke, and I like 3-piece better than 1-piece because 1-piece wasn't worth that much or whatever. Then gonna get me some Shadow Torrid bottom bracket. Pretty cool.